What if I told you that one YouTube short could take less than 30 minutes to create, yet continue bringing in views for months? Even crazier, what if AI could handle most of the work? In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow behind a YouTube Shorts business that generates $24,937 per month. This isn't about copying trends or uploading random clips. It's about building a repeatable system using Claude AI to research ideas, write scripts, and speed up content creation. By the end of this video, you'll know the complete process, from finding viral topics to publishing shorts that have the potential to reach millions of viewers. Let's get started. Step 1. Pick the right niche. Most people fail before they even upload their first short. Why? Because they choose a niche with no demand. Instead of creating content about everything, focus on one topic that people already love watching. Think about niches like personal finance, AI tools, productivity, tech facts, motivation, business, health, history, celebrity stories. The goal isn't to chase every trend. The goal is to become known for one topic. Step 2. Find viral ideas. Don't guess. Research. Open YouTube Shorts and search your niche. Look for videos with hundreds of thousands, or even millions, of views. Pay attention to the hook, the title, the first 3 seconds, the pacing, the ending. You're not copying the video. You're studying why people kept watching. Patterns always leave clues. Step 3. Use Claude AI to write better scripts. This is where Claude AI saves hours of work. Instead of staring at a blank screen, give Claude a clear prompt. For example, write a 45-second YouTube short script about the biggest mistake new YouTubers make. Use a strong hook, simple language, and end with a surprising fact. Within seconds, you'll have a solid first draft. Don't post it immediately. Read it. Improve it. Add your own examples and personality. AI should speed up your work, not replace your creativity. Step 4. Keep every second interesting. Shorts move fast. If viewers get bored for even a second, they'll swipe away. That means, start with curiosity. Remove unnecessary words. Change visuals every 2 or 3 seconds. Use captions. Add sound effects. Keep the energy high from beginning to end. Every second matters. Step 5. Edit for retention. Good editing isn't about flashy effects. It's about keeping attention. Use quick cuts, zooms, animated text, relevant B-roll, and make sure every visual matches what you're saying. If your voice talks about money, show money. If you're talking about AI, show AI tools. Never let the visuals feel disconnected from the story. Step 6. Post consistently. One short won't change your life. 100 might. The creators making serious money aren't relying on luck. They're uploading consistently. Some post once a day. Others post 3 to 5 shorts daily. The important thing is having a system you can repeat without burning out. That's exactly where AI becomes valuable. It helps you create more without sacrificing quality. Final thoughts. Claude AI won't make you successful overnight, but it can make the entire content creation process faster and more efficient. Combine that with good ideas, strong hooks, consistent uploads, and high retention editing, and you'll give yourself a real chance to grow. Whether your goal is your first 1,000 subscribers or building a full-time YouTube business, the process is the same. Learn, improve, upload, repeat. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more YouTube and AI content, and let me know in the comments. Would you use AI to grow your YouTube channel?